Teddy Bear. We can do a jumping dance to keep away from the snowballs. Échappé, jump open. Échappé, jump close.
Uh-oh! Here come all the snowballs! Be careful, June!
To dance past all the snowballs, we're going to need your help. So stand up, like me and Teddy Bear. That's it. Get up on your feet. Good. Now get ready to jump open and close. Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Oh no! Here come the biggest, fastest snowballs yet! Get ready to jump even faster! Échappé, open. Échappé, close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Those snowballs didn't stop us.
We made it through the ice tunnel! Woohoo!
Yay! Thanks for helping us dance past all the snowballs. And thank you, Teddy Bear, for showing us the way.
We must be really close to the castle now. Can you find the Mouse King's castle? Yeah, there it is.
And there's the Toy Prince. Don't worry, Toy Prince. We're coming to save you.
We've got the winder-upper.
Uh-oh. That sounds like the Mouse King and his army.
We have to get to the castle before them so we can save the prince.